I am Annie B. Halalagtoy, Executive Assistant of Lao Integrated Farms Incorporated. Lao Integrated Farms Incorporated, manufacturer and exporter of 100% organic coconut sap-based products. Mr. Lao started this farm using natural farming technique in the early 2000s with the missions to generate income and employment to the people of Barangay Iman, Bansalan, Davao del Sur, which later on turned into mission to Great Commission. What inspired him to do this business was the economic situation of this barangay. Most of residents here before belonged to marginalized sector, and most of the people here had to go to the other places just to look for means to have a decent living. He thought that having a business that could give a sustainable income to the people, here will be an answer. Another inspirations that led Mr. Lao to practice natural and organic way of farming was his experience when he was in high school. His father used the synthetic practices like fertilizer, and then apparently he developed an allergy to it that led him to be hospitalized. Thus, he promised himself not to practice the same farming technique. Copra is a traditional way of making profit out of the coconut, but there are other ways such as processing its sap and producing the single most sustainable sweetener in the world. According to the Food and Agriculture Organization of United Nations, we produce coconut sap-based products such as coconut sugar, coconut sap seasoning sauces, coconut syrup, and other health and wellness products using coconut sugar as sweetener. Some of the coconut sugar health benefits are low glycemic index, which is good to person with high glucose level in blood, high cholesterol levels, high in inositol, which is good for mood stabilizer, high in glutamic acid, which is good brain function enhancer. So, coconut sugar, it is slowly becoming a market trend to substitute the table sugar into coconut sugar, especially in the Europe, because of the widely known health benefits. 17 amino acid po ang available sa kaning coconut sugar. We also have farm products such as goat's milk, livestock, vegetable, fruits, and fertilizer. So, naapod ni mga coconut sugar, turmeric tea, value adding na mo mamba. Sa instead na coconut sugar alone lang, so nag-value add ni og turmeric tea. Since si turmeric po is very high in antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, then si coconut sugar is very rich in vitamins, minerals, and amino acid. Perfect combination gid sila, ma'am. We have also coconut syrup. Coconut syrup is alternative nato sa mga kanang concentrated juices. So instead of buying katong mga commercial na mga juice, kani siya si coconut syrup nindot siya himuong juice. Nindot pud siya sa mga bata na ipainom. Kay very rich in vitamin C. We use the principles of organic farming system in our farm operations and ensure the organic integrity and maintain up to the end point of the supply chain. Proper farm management is very important to ensure high quality and increased coconut sap yield. Otherwise, if left improperly managed, fermentations and decreased sap yield is more likely to occur. Basically, our coconut sugar is made out of coconut sap and minimally processed by evaporation. By maintaining good manufacturing practices in our production operations, we ensure safety of our coconut products for both local and international markets. We maintain proper recording and handling of goods from raw materials to finished goods and lab analysis of the standard quality parameters as compared to our production. So our coconut sugar, we do evaporations. Then after that, we dry and we ensure that there are no impurities in our coconut sugar by subjecting into metal tests for 3 times before actual packaging into final package. Our coconut products go mostly in the local market, especially in Mindanao. We have also in Visayas. We also have overseas in Australia, France, Auckland, New Zealand, and Japan. But our main customer, institutional buyers, how has demand changed over the years? Kay sa una jud ma'am is nag-focus lang mi into export. So along the years, nakita na mo nga pwede di ay mi magka-market po sa amo ang co-business nga local mga manufacturers here in the Philippines. So the government agency supported us since start until now. We have CFIDP trade shows and promotions. We have also ATI stakeholders introductions, DTI various training for marketing and product presentations, DOST technology and developing our packaging, DOT with regards to our farm promotion through tourism, TESDA being a training and assessment center, and also we have PCA, benchmarking in coconut sugar technology. ATI is supporting Lao Integrated Farms Incorporated through various training related to farming and business, and also commissioning Lao Integrated Farms Incorporated to teach each farmers, beneficiaries, and other LSAs. Lao Integrated Farms, we are accredited learning site of agriculture, started the partnership during the time of Mr. Benjamin Lao, our founder and President Emeritus of LIFI. Being LSA, we have engagement with other farmers and farmers owners and training opportunities to support our activities in Lao Integrated Farms. The project gave them a stable source of income and employment to a significant number in our community. Bisan pa man sa among mga ka-community, 96% sa among employees diri po is along the barangays lang po. So nakatabang in terms of employment and income. To our the same coconut farmers, do not just stop at copra. As whole nuts, if you have more trees, there are more enterprises that you can explore. So explore more, be enterprising so many can benefit your enterprise.